Yes, I. Greetings one more time in the mighty, mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie the First. You see? Yeah. So, and I put up a video earlier in regards to bro got mad lurch at power. You see? And you don't know. The background music was a bit loud. I apologize to that daily. You don't know, me just a practice with my editing and things like that. Just new background, new settings and everything. I practice. You see, practice come perfect. Mistakes like these are, I want to tell you something, go back in and re-edit the video and it sounds better this time, but say, take it down again and repost it again. Come like, you know what I say? We don't know. You know most of you get the message and as a first, you can bear with me with that one day. See? So, in regards to the whole that means we're going now, and I make mention about the treatment, the approach to the people. See, you expect we call it a first world reaction from third world people. They use first world strategy from third world people, and some people have the audacity to ask me what me expect him to do. Use third world strategy from third world people. How much third world country all over the world and none of them now use them draconian strategy upon them people? Eh? What I could never, I found a mistake that from day one, and if you lock down the country, lock it down, open it up back, let in a friend them from all about with COVID, come treat them in the country. See? On top of that, we open it up back to tourism because of tourism and economy. Where is the tourism? Eh? Did it happen? The rest of the world locked down pound and nobody can come there. You know, see? So it never makes sense open up back and try and let into few people. Where the profit for that? Where the benefit? Who benefited from that? Really? You understand what I say? And then who has suffered the consequence of that now? Poor people when I have nothing in them house to go in there go cook. And boy, I come on the channel, come and comment and I ask me what me want bro God go do. Eh? Bro God for resign and go and that him for do. You know, on the dirty corrupt politics. You know see it? And on the nyama food mentality. You come here over poor people just because you know nyama food, you know no business with nobody else. With nobody else. You know see it? They're going to come and discredit man talk when man try put to the people and say, no, we are in Britain, people are being treated in a them way. Let me tell you something we are going right now. The whole of last week, Bristol is in unrest. The city of Bristol in an unrest. And only for other city across the UK as well. You understand what I say? It's a very tense atmosphere in regards to these new rules where the government them intend to bring in regards to COVID-19. You understand what I say? Day where the man them announced on the radio, on the TV overnight, early morning for the first edition of the newspaper. Them every newspaper say you're going to have to have a pass, a sort of certificate for sure, say for going out the pubs them. You see, them know the people them love them liquor over here and things like that, and the pub them locked down and the people them can't wait for the pub them open up back. See, because now the first lockdown and open up back, them open up the pub them and the pub them go some poop and full and sell off. Pack every day. You know see till them lock it down back. You know see till the very last minute of them lock it down back. See? So them I check the people them with that livelihood again, that leveler. You get what I say? And I say, like, throw it out there. You know, when I say Chinese whisper, see the atmosphere where it all create. And believe you me, the uproar on social media for that by morning, the Prime Minister come on the news, come say, that's not like an official thing. You understand what I say? Basically, it's like a suggestion, and at the end of the day, it's up to the landlord, if him want, the landlord or the pub owner, if them want take certification or certificate of vaccination. See, because that's what the argument was all about. Show certificate of vaccination before you can enter places of public. You get what I say? So, right now, but like me here upon the news, me here upon Sky News, more than one city in Britain, a riot right now against the sea, a protest. Let's say protest. Let's keep it simple. Let's keep it civil. See, this is not an incitement of any level of violence or an attempt or an intention to incite any violence from a little local Jamaica what go on in regards to the whole thing or any level of protest. You get what I say? I'm not saying so. It's up to the people. And them I feel it. See, I have some of there. Among some other boy, we are work as agent. Like me always say, the best and most potent weapon for the enemies, them, is always one of us. You see, a man went there in Britain and knows that Bristol almost burned on the police station the other day. You see, them broke out all of the glass them and thing like that, big riot and said, oh, no rule, no new law, no new, and it was in regards to the lockdown. You get what I say? Oh, that miss you. You come on this platform, you know. When I try educate poor people in Jamaica. And I tell you live in England and you don't see nothing like that go on. And which part of England you live under which stone hole? Because some of them lie and wicked in a keyboard warrior. You know see it. Some of them go to Jamaica work for a friend, bro God, because a social media strategy you use and even say you win the election the other day and even make it look legitimate with 800,000 votes out of 3 million people, over 3 million people. You understand what I say? I want to make it look legitimate and want to feel justified and dignified in ourselves for publicize and talk about that. You know see it? So I can't put nothing past on. So I want to see you way down there. Or what's the thing? Jump on the platform with a keyboard and I try instigate or propagate a certain level of misinformation towards the people. All night last night the people at Bristol protest again. I go call it protest. See, me now say a riot coming and want something like that incitement time I said no false news, yeah. Because people are protest all night, yeah. All night last night the people at Bristol are protest again. You know see it, even though when the first protest go on, I think this is about the third. You understand? Because I explain for you, listen to strategy, political strategy and political rule. But I see him little dummy down there. We say him name, bro, God, I try. You know see it? You know see it? Last night, all night last night, them are protest. Them are protest. You know see it? Yeah. In Bristol. You know see it? Even though them under threats there, the first protest were going on there was well publicized. Everybody, them threatened everybody who took part in that protest, or most people who took part in that protest said, look out for the door and get knocked. It was public broadcast on the media, threatening the people look out for the door and get knocked because we are come arrest and lock up all around for the destruction of property and things like that and illegal protests and them thing there. You know see it? And the people them that left off of the street, them were there like again last night. You understand? Under the said threat. And watch what got happen. More than likely them have to go backtrack on them threat there. You know see, more than likely them have to put them ears on the ground and listen to what them people are say. You see, because them people are not again, them now worry about deportation and worry about hunger and things like that. Them know say all of them things goes with the model and the image of Britain, and them have to be careful how them abuse or attempt to abuse any level of them humanity. You see it? White people them may talk about, not talk about black people, you know. You see it? And again, we live in our first world country where them people I get government subsidy, them people I get, like I said, food bank out there for the people them. Whole heap of preparation there with Jamaica quail in comparison. In terms of assistance for feed people. Yet still them people, yeah, sister, I feel like so them human liberty is being violated and them out there protest night on top of night. You see it? A man come on our Jamaican platform, I try rubbish my argument. Listen my man, and we are called dread. Boy, I'm telling you where the dread the man. Go lift up your woman frack. You hear that? You're out and wicked, dirty agent of Satan, devil. I want to tell you, boy, No come back for you, man. I'm not black you neither, you know. You know see it? I never call your name neither, because you bowers, you dirty bow. Boy, we work for the slave master. We ride the bucky boy, we ride the ass. I want to tell you, fool. Right on every people them Google, them can look and see what going on at Bristol last night. Which part of England you there, where you never see that? You come with your, hey boy, go away from yourself. Fool the check man for. A keyboard you can't talk on, you can't talk in front of that space here. You hear that? Tell you that. Can I hear that thing? What I want to somehow know? Oh, what the morality there? What kind of, you know see it? I'm telling you something. Jamaica, I'm telling you something about Britain. Britain, well, me no know about America, me never go America yet, but me come into me Britain and me see how much control, yeah, the guys them where run things have over the media. In my opinion, the media is not independent. You know, see. And again, I'm still now say that's forced upon them and dictated upon them. So the media greedy. The guy them we are talking about some powerful guy. And in most cases of them own the media anyway. You know, see, the same people them we are comparing, we are trying to implement certain things, but we unrelated to us, we can't relate to we. You understand what I say? Them people when they know the suffering we go through, you say that them are trying to make rule, we claim say them are trying to alleviate the suffering and struggle we are go through. You can't relate to the struggle, you don't know where it come from and you create it, you not take responsible for it. So obviously if you don't take responsible for it, you can't expect we to think say you are gonna do nothing to alleviate it. We're not stupid, Rasta, we're not idiot. You don't see it. Let me tell you how the structure of things stay in Britain, man. You will live in Bristol and you don't hear the news where I go on to London. You don't know where I go on to London. You will live at Birmingham and you don't know where I go on to Bristol and London. You will live at Birmingham and you don't know where I go on to Liverpool, Manchester and all of the other major cities them. You understand what I say? The system is set with a thing we call regional news, where something go on in the region, who in the region can see it and thinks that everybody else has see it and feel good and complete about it and even quiet and just know say, yeah, our voice is being heard, but all of them alone in that region can see it. You understand what I say? Because you're going to have people in another region, yeah, who can relate to whatever claims them are trying to make and will show some level of support, seeing and cause a greater stress and problem upon the authorities. You understand what I say? Because if you go all island, our national, a more serious thing, and again, the things will affect poor people, where poor people protest against because of the shitstem ego, because of Babylon ego. Babylon rather stay in I'm wrong, you know. Seeing even when them can say, yeah, true, them are talking right. If me do that, them are dead for true. Them are dead for hungry, them are poor sufferer. No, Babylon just want to be the dictatorship boss. Him no want to give poor people that inkling like them have any authority or any choice in the matter. Even though even himself know them have all the choice and them have all the power. You understand what I say? But because of demoralization and miseducation, them rob people and them benefit of them knowledge there. Since so them can abuse and use and refuse and do what them want to. You see it? Leading up to this day, up to this point where we're there right you know. You see it? Where if you choose, if you can relate to the same thing where another city in Britain go through, yeah? Remember me tell you, it have to reach out of proportion, especially now like social media and all the other things, in a play and help contribute to. You know see, I saw them open up now a little. You know see, or so them we open up and make it go national, put it on the national news and everybody know what I go on when them can't keep it secret no more. You understand what I say? Most of the time, them go to have them set them plan of action, see, and it next to impossible for any other support for reach them people there. You understand what I say? Or for sure any form of agreement or relation to the cause. You know see, that's the politics of the media in Britain. You know see, and anybody want to deny that it's an agent of the same Babylon, possibly a black agent who we are trying to keep with in a servitude and slavery. Bristol last night, me now asked that, you know, see that for them, recognized new Sky News media, me see it pan, in a Britain, you know see, and it actually never know, you know, demoralizing, you know, tragic, it's heartbreaking. I'm saying that a black man come from a thing come and talk about, shut up, I be a what's it not to attack, dread. Let me tell you something, boy. If you did say that, if they nowhere near me and say that in front of me, man, remember me tell you, man. Remember me tell you. You hear me? You hear that? I want to you fool. Go learn sense, man. You see? I educate, man, so I try to educate them people and I get them mind open on another level where them can at least think critical. You see? Not inside or not round or with no box within them sphere. You see? Free thinking, open thinking. Give back people the opportunity to think. You see, I dictate, you're being dictated to. You see, Your mind is already made up, but not by you. You don't realize that. You make a choice where you plan something tomorrow where you want to do, and it does work within the sphere of where your boss say. And see if that can happen. Care how important that is to you. You see, Babylon have to make something or a benefit from that prospect as well. For that go through or for that happen. I got people that eat that. You know, they are in a see. Fool. Or your bonus go. You work all month or all week, whatever, or you want to call it, however them set for the bonus. And you make one mistake Monday morning, the beginning of the week. Anybody want you and tell you say you make a mistake, so you don't bother press you or put in the effort where you put in the work. So that's because you now can't get the bonus, you already violate the thing. See? So I'm tell you the school till next week. Anybody ever tell you that? No, they make you work constantly hard and I rush for the bonus same way it come weekend and I come end of month. Them tell you so, you did make a mistake on the first of the month. You see? And you come and tell people about what stupid this man attack and me if you tell what bro God for do. You don't know what bro God for do. Agent, who alone don't know bro God. You're going like a rocket science. Bristol and the riot, my people, because of this, a type of new measures in regards to the lockdown where the Prime Minister, where the Parliament and everybody are planned for introduce. You understand what I said? The theme name for the protest is Kill the Bill. Kill the Bill. A bill like a new legislation in the House of Parliament is another term that for a new law or something like that in Britain. You see, the same thing in Jamaica to the same English language you use. You see, so for them slogan for this protest we are going for over the past week is Kill the Bill. You see, I don't know where this money, this nuisance come from. On social media, come and try discredit the arguments that you cannot use first world strategies on third world people without the resources, the social resources were dead for benefit. Surge, you know see what surge? You know what surge? Recently, you not talk about the woman killing. You see, you use this thing and hide certain crime, certain unusual crime, abnormal crime, unacceptable crime for the people in Jamaica. And not talk about the woman killing them on a sweep under the carpet and talk about people who are going to dance, still are people who are break lockdown. Like so well in house, all the liars are severe when 90% of the people them were breaking the thing make affect return to full recovery. Yes, it is critical, but want the gunman them, tell me something, the gunman them kill more people than this thing where you are different, where you and your God are different. Listen man, England you there, you see it, and again, because you that stone behind you, you can't relate to what going down there. I walk you there, I walk all year right round, forget your one holiday. Because TK Maxx go buy some cheap shorts and some cheap t-shirt and go down go mag up on Jamaica and like say I live in a bed of roses up here. You damn bossy slave you. No come back over here so sir. Go away. I mean if I call your name, you know who you. You know see it? You don't know my people. More bless. Share, like, and subscribe. And let's keep the thing going. Because information have a flow. Mad love in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty.